Step 1. Eligibility requirements. In Texas, armed security guards are officially called Level 3 Commissioned Security Officers. To qualify, you must be at least 21 years old, be legally authorized to work in the U.S., meet Texas DPS Private Security Bureau character and background standards, have no disqualifying felony or serious misdemeanor convictions, be eligible to pass state and FBI fingerprint-based background checks. Step 2. Do you need to be licensed unarmed first? In Texas, yes. Before going armed, you must complete Level 2 non-commissioned security officer training and hold a valid Level 2 license before applying for Level 3. An important note, I already have a full video explaining how to get a Texas security guard license or Level 2. If you haven't completed that first step yet, watch that video first. Level 3 is an upgrade, not a standalone license. Step 3. Complete Level 3 Commissioned Security Training. This training must be completed through a Texas DPS licensed training provider and includes firearm safety and handling, live fire range qualification, use of force and deadly force law, defensive tactics, and professional conduct. Written and practical examinations. You must pass both the classroom instruction and firearms qualification to receive your Level 3 certificate. All links are in the video description below. Step 4. Complete the required psychological and emotional health documentation. Texas requires a declaration of psychological and emotional health and confirmation that you are mentally and emotionally fit to work armed. This form is submitted as part of your Level 3 application package. Step 5. Complete fingerprinting and background checks. You must submit fingerprints through an approved vendor such as IdentoGo, pass Texas DPS and FBI criminal history checks, clear all private security bureau background requirements. Fingerprinting costs typically between $30 to $50. Step 6. Submit your Level 3 commissioned application. You'll need Level 2 and Level 3 training certificates, fingerprint background clearance, psychological declaration, required Texas DPS licensing fees. Texas DPS Commissioned Security Officer fees as of 2026 are $50 license registration fee, $5 pocket card fee, $2 subscription fee, $57 total for a one-time original or renewal application. Texas processing note. Most Level 3 applications are not submitted through a public apply here page. They're typically submitted by your employer or training provider using the Texas DPS TOPS system. Step 7. Once approved, you'll receive your License 3 Commissioned Security Officer license, and you'll have to follow key renewal rules. Licenses are valid for 2 years. Renewal requires firearms proficiency documentation dated within 90 days. Renewal may begin up to 180 days before expiration. Late renewal fees. Between 0 and 90 days late, around $82 total. 90 days or more late, and you'll pay approximately $107 total. Step 8. Let's talk cost and what armed guards actually make in Texas. The estimated costs from scratch Level 2 to Level 3. Level 2 training $100 to $300. Level 3 $300 to $800 plus. Fingerprinting $30 to $50. DPS Level 3 license fee $57. The estimated total is between $487 to $1,207. If you're already Level 2 and you're only going to upgrade, Level 3 training is between $300 to $800. Fingerprinting is $30 to $50. DPS Level 3 license fee $57. The estimated total is $387 to $907. Just note that firearm, holster, ammo, and duty gear are not included and are purchased separately, which is going to add to the total cost. The Bureau of Labor Statistics does not differentiate between unarmed and armed guards. Therefore, according to the Bureau, the median wage for security guards in Texas is approximately $16 an hour. According to Indeed, armed security guards in Texas average approximately $13 to $23 an hour, depending on experience, post type, and location. Step 9. Once you're licensed, start applying for Level 3 commissioned positions through employer sites and job boards like Indeed. Check out r/guard guides for advice and compare real-world guard experiences. For checklists, resume tools, and study aids, check out guardguides.com and my Etsy page. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.